everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was browsing around Instagram and I came across the pictures of the brand new Amber Collection Echo figure. I was not impressed with the paint job. We've already seen Mattel butchering paint jobs in the past, like with the Attack Pack Delta, which got fixed with the new Savage Strike Delta and the Amber Collection Delta. Well done Mattel, you made an amazing job with making it super movie accurate. But there's always something wrong. On the back of the box, they pictured Echo.
It's really not that difficult.
Anyway, let's have a look at Amber Collection Echo. Do you notice something weird about the colors? At first I thought, oh, this looks an awful lot like the Lost World Raptor. I mean, it's orange, it's got dark stripes and a beige-ish body. Even so, it's still a little off. But then I saw this picture, the actual box, and it says Echo. And I thought, this is Echo. And then I thought, did they actually base this on the Camp Cretaceous Echo? Why would they do that? If you're not aware, Echo went through a redesign for Camp Cretaceous. Now, I still have no idea why, and I can say that us fans are not happy, because Echo is kind of a brownie orange with teal stripes. Everyone knows that by now, and why would they go through a redesign? Anyway, to give Echo justice, I decided to do a Photoshop edit on how Echo Amber Collection is supposed to look like, with a movie accurate paint job, which that is the whole point of the Amber Collection figures. They're supposed to be collectible movie replica figures, and giving us a paint job from the cartoon show, which had very little screen time of Echo, by the way. If you don't know, watch Camp Cretaceous and you'll see what I mean. You can literally see Echo for like, I don't know, not even a minute. In the film, however, we get a lot more, obviously. So giving us the paint job from the cartoon is like making the Amber Collection Dilophosaurus look like the Telltale game version of it. Now, people would be pretty annoyed about that. You know why? Because it isn't movie accurate. And it doesn't make sense. So I would really like Mattel to do a reissue with a proper movie accurate paint job, please. I know I might come across as always complaining about Mattel and just ranting and whatever. I would like to say that Mattel so far has actually done a pretty damn good job with the Jurassic World and Jurassic Park license. This is stuff that we've never seen before, and I really appreciate that. So thanks Mattel for giving us something that we've always wanted. But there's always something off, and it's really frustrating for us fans. Anyway, I think I'll end my rant here. You can enjoy the rest of this video without me talking, and I'll see you at the end. I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps. If you like my videos, please press the like button. And you could consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell button, because you don't want to miss any of my new stuff, right? I'm gonna say bye now, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next one.